Leave me alone.
He is the biggest drama king you'll ever meet.
Nelson, get up.
And he does get his own way, forget it.
He definitely thinks he's the one that rules the house.
Yay, Nelson!
He loves Elvis and Motown, and he dances. He's really funny.
Yay, Nelson!
Everything must go his way.
Nelson! Who is that, Nelson? Is that your new friend?
He needed all the attention. He was just with me all the time. So I'm like, oh, Nels, you want to go for a ride? And he's like, yeah. He loved it. Nelson is in trouble constantly, but he does not care. He's going to do what he wants to do, and that's it.
Nelson loved being the only pet in the house.
Good boy. Good flossing.
Henry arrived December 23rd, and we did a big reveal.
Is it real? No, it's fake.
She had no idea. He was a sweet little black fluff ball. I didn't know how he was gonna be with Henry. So I had to watch them a lot in the very beginning.
Nels, what do you think? Nels is a baby. It's your brother.
Nelson wanted nothing to do with him. Oh, Nelson was not liking that.
Nelson.
Nelson was still not liking it.
He doesn't want to play with you.
And then he realized, crap, he's not going anywhere. He realized that he could instigate him.
Nelson.
Like, oh yeah, let me torment him a little, see if I can get rid of him. I think that was part of his plan. And he would go on him and poke at him. But Henry just was like, whatever.
He's checking him out.
He started figuring out that he could go into Henry's toy box and steal the dog's toys. He even went into his food dish.
Really? Oh, you're wicked funny.
And then Henry got a little bit older. And then he said, crap, that's not working either, so I guess I'm gonna have to hang out with him. But then they both just clicked. And they're just perfect together. He loves Henry now. I call Henry the big little brother. He's a giant. Now they're in cahoots.
Hey, what are you doing to the pizza?
Nelson instigates everything. Everything.
You kidding me?
He knows what he's doing. 100%. Even if somebody's pulling in the driveway or walking by the street or whatever, he'll start squawking. So Henry will immediately from wherever he is come running and start barking.
God dog, God bird. Who is it, guys?
They like to drive me nuts.
Nelson.
I do anything for them. I love them.
Yay!
They are my boys.
Nelson's on the boat.
They can take the stress out of my day.
What you guys doing?
There is not a day that I am not laughing at these guys.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.